Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a very easy way to add a little privacy to your room while having a very sleek, simple, modern style? These vertical blinds by Graywind have done just that. They were so easy to install. I love the tape it comes with to keep everything level, and everything just snaps into place. It really was much more simple than I thought it would be. These are fully customizable, so I have the valance, which really just adds a finished look to it. I've always been very nervous about ordering customized blinds because I'm not that great at measuring accurately. But these really were simple. I measured according to their directions and they fit our window perfectly. The wand on these is really nice instead of having cords, and it is screwed in so it will not come out if a little kid yanks on it, which really means a lot to me. I love the patterns of these. I also love that they have the weights and the chains at the bottom so everything stays right in place because, like I said, we have kids, we have a dog, and they will definitely get tore up otherwise. They glide super easy and are very easy to turn either way, so you can let in sunshine while also having tons of privacy. If you're looking for some vertical blinds, these ones are a really nice choice. And that's my point of view.